Chemistry students, welcome to Wednesday, May 6th. Folks, it may sound a little crazy, but we are down to our final week of e-learning. E-learning ends on Wednesday, May 13th for underclassmen. If you have friends that are seniors, their e-learning ends on Friday of this week, so they get finished 3 days earlier than you. But underclassmen, we have 1 week left. What does this mean for you? The time is now. Finish what you started. If you've been turning in assignments, don't let up at this point. Keep your foot on the gas pedal. Finish this crazy ride that we've called e-learning. We are on our final unit, Unit 9, stoichiometry. As you remember from yesterday, stoichiometry merely is using the proportions in chemical reactions to solve for anything that you might want to know regarding that chemical reaction and a reaction that you're going to be performing. So our final advanced planner is posted. If you look on Google Classroom, you'll see this document right here. This is our last one. This covers this week and next week, so everything you need to know is posted. Knowing that we only have 1 week left, we are at that moment of time where if you're missing assignments, you want to get that stuff submitted. Now is the time to catch up. You can still pass this 9 weeks. Remember to focus on assignments that date back from April 17th to the present. Don't worry about the stuff before that. You can go back and do stuff before April 17th. You can still get points for those, and that will only help your overall effort to pass this 9 weeks. But the ones you want to focus on first, the ones that you need to emphasize, are those that have started April 17th and go up through this final advanced planner. You will get full points for anything that you submit. So do not give up. Do not think this is over. You can still pass. Passing is defined to be making an effort to participate in e-learning. I can say that again. Passing is defined to be making an effort to participate in this e-learning. That means you just need to show that you've been trying, and you will receive a 100% grade for the fourth 9 weeks. You could have failed last 9 weeks. You could have had the 50% in the third quarter, last 9 weeks. And if you pass this e-learning, you will get credit for this entire semester. That is a huge carrot for you to motivate you. Just take whatever your percent was last 9 weeks. If you pass this 9 weeks, it's 100%. Add those two, divide it by 2, and that is your semester average. There are no exams. So when you throw 100% into whatever you got last 9 weeks, it can make a tremendously positive impact. So finish what you've started, and if you haven't started, you can still pull this off. You can still pass. Today, we are doing practice problems 9-6 mole-to-mole conversions. These are done in the exact same manner that they showed yesterday's video, mole-to-mole conversions. So from yesterday's videos, you now know how to do the mole-to-mole conversions. If you don't know how to do the mole-to-mole conversions, as always, there is a help video posted. Help video number 92 under 9-6 practice problems will explain step by step how to do the problems. There's an answer key already posted after 9-6. Be sure you check the answer key as you go. So if you do one of the practice problems, take a look at the answer key to make sure you're doing it correctly so that you don't repeat the same mistakes every time you do one of these practice problems. When you have finished, submit evidence of your finished work to me through email. Enjoy. Finish this off. We're down to our final week. It's hard to believe. And we are finishing with one of our most important units of all, stoichiometry, using balanced chemical reactions. That's all stoichiometry is. We spent a tremendous amount of time on Unit 8, chemical equations. Now you see why. In Unit 9, we learn how to use them. Have a great day.